the flowers. I really love to send flowers. I really love your surprise, Mahal. And there's a birthday card. Happy birthday, mahal kong maganda. I love you. Enjoy your day. I miss you, mahal. See you soonest. Keep safe always. Love you too, mahal. Thank you again for the flowers.
Hi guys, I'm Ian and I'm here with my beloved fiance Tricia right here.
Hi. Hi guys.
So in this little video, Tricia is gonna be opening up one of her birthday presents I got for her because it just got in the mail literally just yesterday while I was sleeping. So, but here's a little backstory, kind of background, what was going on. So I ordered 2 presents for her through Amazon, and both presents I got for her obviously didn't come on the same day. But luckily, one of her presents got there the day before her birthday. So now she's going to be opening her present for us all live right now. Okay? So we'll bring you live here with Tricia's live reaction.
Yeah. Yep. That's right. My birthday was 2 days ago. It was December 9th, and I got presents from Ian, my fiance. So he ordered it through Amazon, and luckily here in the Philippines, there's already a warehouse of Amazon. So yeah, so I have it here. So these are like two packages. So this one I received it like last week, but I wait for the second one, this one, so that I can open it in time. So let's see what Ian got for me. Birthday surprise. So let's open this, guys.
What could it?
It's wow, look at that.
Whoa!
It's a t-shirt. T-shirt with the America and Philippines flag. Wow, with the heart shape. Oh, that's so nice. And the t-shirt is soft too. Yeah, it doesn't say about that, but it's so soft. It's like cotton, so comfy. And the print, it's also with a good quality. The print here. So this is Philippines flag, and this this is very famous American flag. Oh, I really like it, Mahal.
I'm so glad you love it, Malco. Looks great on you, Malco. Look at that, so kawaii.
That's true, Ma. Now let's move on with the second. We have one left. What is it?
Oh.
Let me guess. But it might spoil though. Okay, I'll just open it. Think what's inside.
What could it be?
Oh.
Uh-oh, I think she's figured it out, everyone.
Believe me. Yeah, the shape is familiar. Like, it's not that bulky, but by touching it, I have an idea what it is. But let's confirm it, guys. So let's open. I think I touched the clip.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I think she's figured out, everyone. Oh no, she spoiled the surprise. Just kidding.
I already knew it. Uh-oh. Oh, see this now. Let's just stare it. Let's just stare it.
I knew it should have came in a box. I wish it would have came in a box. I'm just kidding.
It's true, but that's fine. The other one, it's easier to open.
Was that one much tougher, Mahako?
Yeah. You ready, guys, to see the second one? Wow! I know it! Ta-da! It's a plushie meow stick. It's so cute, Mom. I know it's meow stick, Mom, because I was like touching it. And then, like the tail, there's a lot of meow sticks with that. Circle. So there's more. I can show you more Meowstic. So Meowstic is one of the Pokemons. I like Meowstic. My Ian got me Meowstic.
Yeah, for those who've seen our previous videos, like our Halloween video we made earlier a few months ago, Tricia and I dressed up as a male and female Meowstic for Halloween, so I knew that's what you call our couple Pokemon, so I thought getting her a Meowstic, plushie also with a t-shirt would be pretty cute, so.
Yeah, this is it. Thank you, Marco, for the gifts. I love all of them.
Oh, you're very welcome, Marco. Ah, so kawaii.
This is so small though, so tiny, just like me. Ha! Like me 5 foot tall. Something's 4'11".
But you're the perfect size though, Marco. You're so cute and cuddly.
Thank you, Mahal.
You're very welcome, Marco. Anything for you, my love.
So it's nice because there's like, it says here, Meowstic.
Female. Yeah, the female Meowstic is white with little blue little hairs, I guess you want to call it that, or little blue parts on it. And then the male is mostly blue with some white tips here and there on them. So that's how you can tell them apart. A little more noticeable compared to other Pokemon, if you're not familiar with Pokemon. So.
Yeah. So then, guys, so these are the two that I got from Ian. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Shopee channel. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you.
This video was sponsored by Amazon. Shout out. Just kidding. Just kidding. Don't worry, guys. We were not sponsored by Amazon to make this video, so. But I'm really glad you enjoyed it, Mahako. I'm really glad you had a great birthday. I'm just so glad, because my goal is always to make you happy, and especially on your special day, Mahako. So I'm really glad that the presents got there, or at least close to your birthday. So I'm so grateful for that. I got nervous there for a moment when it was like, oh no. Like I know I gave it plenty of time to get there.
That's true, but knowing Philippines sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times there's a lot of delays. But I'm really glad I still got it like 2 days after my birthday. Not too bad.
But thankfully now. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. So I really hope you enjoyed this little Tricia's birthday present reveal. So and for the birthday girl, I once again Mahako, happy birthday once again, my love. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and also if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Click the little notification bell for our upcoming videos and all that jazz that every YouTuber says. So, but yeah, I appreciate everything you do, and please always be careful. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So we'll catch you in our next video. So adios.
Adios. Bye guys.
La 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 la. Thank you for coming. to